Hi folks, today I will show you how to make a mosquito bucket that will attract and kill mosquitoes all summer long for just a couple of dollars. Let's get started. You're going to need a bucket, whether it could be white, it could be orange, it could be any color. It doesn't really matter, but I just happen to have these older white containers, so I'm going to use them. So with that said, I happen to have old white food buckets here that I was using for another project. So I'm going to use these, and we're going to make holes along all four sides, which we're going to do now. I'm going to fill a third of the bottom of the bucket with fresh water. So the next ingredient after water is a little bit of Castile soap. Why do we use Castile soap? It is by far the gentlest soap out there, and you only need just a little tiny drop, just like that. Very little more. And after the Castile, we're going to use an equal parts sugar and equal parts yeast mix. So instead of making a mix every time, I made a mix that'll last most of the summer just with this one container. Now you're going to notice that inside here is going to be some chunks. So we're going to add just 1 teaspoon to this. Just like that. So the yeast and the sugar are going to start to ferment and create some CO2 that's going to attract mosquitoes, gnats, black flies, and more. Our final ingredient we're going to add are these dunks, and they're circles. These come in circles. They can also come in a granular form, but these circles, you just put them in water. I'm going to break it up into 3 or 4 pieces. We're going to take one of these, we're going to put it in the water, it's going to dissolve, and then as any kind of bug comes in here and lays their eggs in the water, the Castile soap will drown them, but also these dunks are going to kill the larvae. So once we've done that, now because my bucket is white, that's what I had around, so we know that mosquitoes, black flies, they like darker colors. So I'm going to take some black tape, and I'm simply just going to make a little entry area. So they're going to see this and be excited that it's a darker color and want to come inside. Okay, so now that we have all our openings marked with some black tape, we are now going to put the lid on. Okay, so now that we have all the ingredients combined, we've got the yeast, the sugar, the fresh water, a little bit of a touch of Castile soap. Now we're ready to put the lid on. Our final piece of the puzzle, which makes things just a little bit better, is that mosquitoes and black flies tend to be more prevalent in the morning and in the early evenings. So I've also attached one of these outdoor solar lights to it, and they will come on when it gets a little bit dark. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, so I literally just place this right on top, and then the bucket is ready to go anywhere in your property. And there you go, folks. We're all done. You've got a mosquito trap you could place at the corners of your property. You can make several of them if you want. And you would refill the yeast and sugar combination every 2 days. You don't need any more than that. Every 2 days is fine. And changing your water would only have to be done maybe once or twice throughout the summer. And there you go, folks. For just a couple of dollars, some simple ingredients, you can make yourself a mosquito trap that'll work all summer long. All you need to do is add that sugar and yeast mix every 2 days or so, and you will be virtually mosquito free the entire summer. I'm off to put this on the corner of the property, so we'll talk to you later. Thanks for joining.